Hello children, welcome back to the English 2 session. As you all know, we have finished with our portion and today we are going to begin with the revision. But before we start with the revision children, I'll just tell you how to write the answer script. Okay, you're going to take a full scape and on that first you'll write your name, subject, class and admission number. Okay, now if it is possible, some parents had asked me whether they can take the printout. If it is possible, if you have a printer at home, you can take the print of the question paper and solve it in the question paper itself. Okay children, now let's learn how to write the answer script. Okay, so the first question, you have 7 main questions in English 2. Okay, so you'll write here question number 1, the first question. Okay, the first question for you is identify the pictures and name them. For example, now here today we are solving the first revision. So the pictures will be given and numbers will be given. Okay, see number 1, 2, 3 like this numbers will be given for each picture. Okay, now you have to identify the picture. The first question is identify the pictures and name them. No need to write the question. But in this you have the sub questions. Okay, so the first picture here is apple. So you will write here apple. Apple, apple. Okay, now the second picture, bat. So you'll write number 2, bat, B-A-T, bat. Okay, now the third one. Now think children, you don't know what is the third one. Okay, either you can leave it blank, put number 3 and leave it blank, or what you can do is, if you don't know third one, leave the third one and write fourth one. Otherwise, what you can do is, you can leave this third one. If you don't know, you leave it blank and write the fourth one. Is it clear children? Now, this is for all the questions. Is it clear? For question number 2 also, in this you will have options. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many are given? Those many examples you will write. Then question number 2. Okay, pick the special name and write. So sentence will be given. From that sentence you have to only pick the special name and write the special name. For example, in the sentence, if January is the first month, so which is the special month? January. So only January you will write. No need to write the whole sentence. Is it clear children? This is for all the questions. And one question you have that put the naming words in the correct boxes. Okay, that is question number 6. Okay, for that question what you have to do is person, place, animal, fruit, vegetable and thing. You have to make the columns and write the naming word in the specific column. Is it clear children? Okay, now today let's start with our first revision. Okay, now here you can see revision 1. Question number 1, identify the pictures and name them. See the first picture here you can see. The first one is apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. The second one, bat, B-A-T, bat. Third, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. The fourth one is pear, P-E-A-R, pear. The fifth, drum, D-R-U-M, drum. Sixth one, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Next, ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Next, car, C-A-R, car. Next one is grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. The next, clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. The next one is doll, D-O-L-L, doll. The next one is pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. The next here is cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. The next, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Next is potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. And the next is cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Okay, children. In this, the places also will be included like school, zoo, park. Okay, children. Here I could not draw those, so I have not included. In this way will be the first question. Okay, all the naming words which we have learnt, names of persons, place, animals, things, fruits, vegetables, all these will be included in this question. Is it clear? Okay, this is all for today. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Children, no need to write the revision. Revision only you can learn. Is it clear? It is not compulsory that you have to write the revision. But if you want to practice, for your practice, if you want to write, you can write it. Okay, children, we'll stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.